Can I confide in you regarding a somewhat delicate matter?
Oh, you haven't done a toilet in the iron cupboard again, have you?
No, I think I have. Oh, the shame. Drankage. Please.
Tell you what, you teach me how to seduce Frankie in Irish, and I'll go and get flea powder for you.
Now, remember what I taught you, and don't forget the flea powder.
How could I forget? Hi, Frankie. Gee, a ditch. But while I'm digging a horse ditch. Oh, agus, but while I'm putting drankage.
How did it go?
I think I need to put in a little more groundwork. But while I'm digging a horse ditch.
Ah, my flea powder. Where's the label?
The dingo speaks the lingo.